Hello everyone, Merry Christmas in July. So today I'm teaching you how to make these mini notebook trios, and I'm going to show you how to add, when you buy a notebook that comes with a ribbon. So I'm going to teach you how to do that as we are making these. These are made with using the Dollar Tree mini notebooks. They come in threes like this, and they do have two types, and I'll show you next. But that's what I'm using. I've just opened one of these and I covered them all. I decorated in one of them, which is an option for you. These two don't have that, but just to give you an idea, you can just put a belly band here and maybe a little note, a bookmark or something like an ephemera or something. That's just an option, but basically we're going to decorate by using a new die set by Spellbinders, which I will show you next, okay? So that's the tutorial today. Please do let me know in your comments which one of these is your favorite, okay? Please do that, and I would love to hear your opinion. So let's now look at the die set. Before we go to the tutorial, I just wanted to show you the die set. This has been released today by Spellbinders, and it's called the Snow Notes. It's 3 snowmen, which you can see here. These are the 3, 1, 2, and 3. And you have here the arms. This is the book. You have a sentiment, the fa la la la. You have here the scarves. These are the black, and this is to cover these areas here that are punched. They're hollow, so you cover that by using these 2 pieces, and the noses. So it's a very simple die set, wonderful because you can't beat snowmen singing. And one thing that I want to call your attention to, I don't know if you've noticed something new that Spellbinders is doing with their die sets, which is such a lifesaver. Honestly, even for me, sometimes I get their dies and then there is this little tiny piece you don't know what to do with. So they've solved that problem. Let me just show you by showing you this, how they do that with this die set here. Do you see here? Let me show you here on the screen. You can see that now the die set, they come with instructions, and you can see that on their website like I'm showing you now. So basically it comes with the instructions on every single piece. How do you assemble them? Guys, honestly, that's genius. How many of you have bought a die set and you have these pieces, you have no idea what to do with them? So I think that's genius. Thank you so much, Spellbinders. But anyway, so that's the die set, and you can see this example that's on their website, and you can actually have them together, one in the middle with the book and the rest just kind of be in the choir, right? So that's it. Let's move to the tutorial. The die set, the link will be below, okay? And if you buy using my link, it really helps me keep making these videos free for you. Thank you so much, and let's move to the tutorial. Well, before I tell you the size of the paper, I want you to pay attention to one very important thing. The Dollar Tree has 2 kinds of mini notebooks. You may think that they only have one, but they don't. Both of them are 3 1/4 inches, the width, but this one here is 4 inches, 4 1/4, and this one is 4 1/2. So I want to tell you this so that you know when you buy that the paper size will be different. So I'm going to use the smaller one, which is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. So I need a paper that is 4 1/4 height, right? So if yours is 4 1/2, just make it 4 1/2. So it's 10. That's the same, 10 inches by either 4 1/4 or 4 1/2, depending on how tall your mini notebook is. So I wanted to say that because I don't want you to get this measurement and then say, well, that's wrong. It's not. It's just that they do have 2 different heights, which I find amazing, honestly. So here's the best way to do this. We're going to zoom in. I find that the best way to do is to glue the internal part here and just kind of wrap it around, okay? So that's what we're going to do. I'm just gonna use some glue. And use very strong glue, guys. I always have the link to the glue that I use. It's the only one I use. It's the best. It's not very watery. And it's very fast drying, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do here. Yep. And you might have a little bit to trim off, which is not a problem. It's better to have a little bit to trim off than not enough. So just press it a little bit to make sure that it's all glued. And then, guys, we're just going to wrap it around, okay? So hold it here, wrap it around like this. And I'm going to do it a little bit closer, yeah. So I do the folding here. And just so you get the marks, you're wrapping this around. And there you go. You're just going to press with your fingers here on the sides. Because this one, that's another difference too. This one is, see, it's flat. And this one is round. See the difference? Flat and round. This one you do the same thing. You just wrap it around, except that you're not gonna do this that I'm doing now just because it's flat. That's what I'm doing that. So I have all the shape right, and all you need to do now is apply the glue. So I do in parts. I like to make the front page here, and then we're going to add the ribbon when we do, what do you call this? The spine of the book, okay? So there you go. I want to just press this down. See? All good here. Very easy, guys. You really can't get this wrong, honestly. So here's what we're gonna do. We're going to add our piece of, this is this is not a 1/4, okay? Even though you can do that, but that's half of that, which is 1/4, is 1/8 of an inch. That's one of those ribbons that is 1/8 of an inch. And you're going to make sure that it's on the top, so I know that that's where it's gonna go. So here's how I do this. I just add glue. You can add, for reinforcement, double-sided adhesive here if you want. You don't have to. You just place the ribbon. So, whoops, sorry about that. So you place the ribbon. It's already there in place, and we're going to reinforce with glue. And make sure you put the glue right on the edge here, okay, guys? You don't want the edge to be flipping and tearing. So here's what I do. I just kind of wrap it like we did before. And there you go. Press it, really press where the ribbon is, just to reinforce it. And we're done with the cover. All we need to do now is to, see? So that's ready. You can just put it in like that. This one is a little too long, so I'm going to cut that. Let me get my, there you go. Perfect now. So we're going to decorate, the most fun part of all. So I have my guy here. I want to show you how to put it together, okay? So we have, let me zoom in even more. We have our guy here. This is something that I put on the back just for a little bit more texture. And this die is great because it even has the perfect, see, let me see if I can get, there you go. Do you see that it has like a square here on the top? That's exactly where the little, what do you call it? The nose, right? It's the nose. I already added to the back. See those two parts that I showed you before? I already added that, which makes it very, very easy. We're going to, I already glued my beautiful scarf, and we're going to glue that first. You glue the scarf first on the one that has the if you want to do the book. You add the scarf first because the book is going to kind of be on the top of it. There you go. I'm going to put this aside. The book is very easy. You have these two parts and it shows you here. It has this indentation. So all you're going to do is just glue this like this, okay? Very easy. So we are ready. Oh, and the arms, the cute arms, which I can't see in here because I think I put it somewhere. Oh, we need to put the little hands and arms here. So there is our book. How cool is that? I love this book. I'm going to use this book so much. You guys know that I love books. And I lost the arms and I'm going to go get them, okay? I'm back with the little arms. So here's what they look like. And what you do is you're going to just glue this little ball underneath like that and put it on the top like that. Oh, like this. So that's it. So I'm going to put some glue here. This one goes on the left. Like this. And then you're going to add a little tiny glue to the hand so that it can hold like that. So hold it together and you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So add the glue to the back first. Very easy, huh? So that's one. And now to the back of the hand. And hold it in place. And you have your hands holding the book. So now all you need to do is just glue it here. And we have our guy ready for decorating your beautiful notebook. These guys, I have quite a collection of snowman, but this one is special, guys, because it's 3 of them and they're all singing. Look at that, so amazing. I cut just a little piece of snow, and we're going to glue the snow first. I always like to add a little bit of either background element or a snowbank, something like that, just to add a little touch. So make sure that it goes all the way down. I'm going to press that. And we have our fa la 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 la, which is gonna go on the top. And here's what I did. I did an extra one. I just wanted it to pop a little bit. So I just cut 2, not just 1. So I cut 2 and I'm going to add 1 to the, whoa, like this, to the back. Just so it becomes a little more sturdy, and it also gives a little more texture. So there you go. We're gonna put this one here, maybe, yeah, I like to go all the way down. For some reason, I like it to be like that. So we're gonna do this. Place it right there. And I have my Wink of Stella here. Oh, one tip for you guys, because this, especially on this one here, let me show you. This one was kind of busy on the back. I usually use my Copic B000, which is like a almost nothing. It's a very light blue, but if you just kind of go around like this, it makes it pop. It makes anything that is white pop. So I usually do that just a touch. I do it on here at the bottom too. It's hard to see. Maybe it's hard to see in the camera, but it does make a difference. And we're going to do our la 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 la. It's la la la, right? Yeah. Where is it fa la la? Yeah, it's fa la la. I don't know. In Portuguese, we don't say that, so I wasn't sure. So we're going to do the fa la 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 la, which is what they're singing, I guess. So guys, look at that. We added a little ribbon. Makes it look so pro, doesn't it? So let's show all three. One in the middle. And there you go. This is the way it goes. Like the one in the middle, one to the right and one to the left. So 3 notebooks, great item for your craft fair, guys. So guys, help me reach 50,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, thank you so much for being here. I hope you find value in what I do. And if you do, just click that button. It's quick and it really helps my, I really want to reach 50,000 subscribers. And I need you for that. Thank you so much, guys, and you have a wonderful day.